Hey everybody, welcome back. I am Polar Bear Ed, and this is my garage. Today, we got a Huskee push mower in here. It's come from a customer. He's got rental properties. I believe these push mowers, they actually got 3 of them in from him, from the same guy. We're going to be working on this Huskee today. What the complaint is it had a bent blade, and the back height adjustment wheels move up and down. We'll show you that here in a little bit. So we're going to change the blade on it for him. Doesn't want any service or anything done on it. We're going to take care of that wobbly wheel assembly in the back, and we're going to bring you guys along, check out what we got going on. Alright y'all, I'm going to start showing you the blade that was on it. You can see this end here is kind of bent down a little bit, but there's the other end. It's here's the straight, and then there's the dip. So yeah, this thing he definitely hit something with it. It's actually bent here, and there's some good notches over here, out here on this end. So yeah, we bought a brand new blade for it, direct replacement for it. So there's that. And then his other complaint is this back height adjustment here when you push down on the handlebars. If you guys can see that, that height adjustment's moving up and down. We'll get these back wheels off, and I'll show you what I'm going to do to fix it. Alright guys, we're going to pull these back wheels off here. I just got the earthquake with a 9/16 socket. Pop it off there. Now, on these, there is a nut on the back side of this center bolt here. You can tighten it up, but on these models, this is what I found in the past, is there's supposed to be a little tab right there. See if we can zoom y'all in. Get you turned a little bit here. Right here in this hole, there's supposed to be a little tab that comes off this bracket that goes through there. What I've done in the past is I've, kind of lined that up a little bit where it's running straight, and I've put a bolt in here and tightened it down, and that works with a big washer, or I'll actually put a little bit of a tack weld right here. Either one will work. Today I think we're going to just do the bolt method. Your blade doesn't come anywhere close to your blade. You do have to do it on both sides. So I'm going to grab a bolt and a washer and a nut. We're going to stick it in there. We're going to get her tightened up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, got the hardware here. Just using some little 3/8 bolts here with some flat washers on them. Got a lock washer and a flat washer for the back side. All you got to do, slip it through the hole. Put your lock washer and your flat washer on the back side. And apparently I lost a nut somewhere, but take the nut, put it in there. Get your 9/16 wrench on the back side there. Good and tight. Now that stops it from moving. That's all it takes to fix that part of that adjustment there and the wheel support. I'm going to locate my other nut that I dropped somewhere. I'll do the other side, and then I'm going to put a little grease on these spindle bolts that you guys cannot see. Spindle bolt here where the wheel goes on. Put a little bit of grease on there and throw the wheel back on, and this part of the fix will be done. Next we'll tip it up, and I'll show you how to install the blade. Alright y'all, I got the motor turned around. I was doing the other side here, and right here is that little tab that was missing off the other side. If you want, you can drive that back in, which I think that's what we may do here in this case, just to get that fixed right. If I can't get it drove in, then I'll get my cutter out and cut that little piece off, and we'll put the bolt in it like we did on the other side. So just want to show you guys what it's supposed to look like. And like I said, this side here has it. It must have been out or whatever. Maybe it wasn't in there from the factory. Who knows? But that's what it is. So we'll bring you back after we get this done. All right, guys. I decided I'm just going to go ahead and cut that off because this hole is wallowed out pretty good. So I just got my little cutter here. I'm going to reach in there, cut it off. I'm going to shut the camera off because you guys don't need to see that. I mean, it's simple. We just cut it off, but it's loud. So we're going to do that, and we'll bring you back and we'll put the bolt in her. All right, guys. Got that all cut out of there. Next, we're going to put the bolt back in. We're going to put the new bolt in it here. And this will not affect the height adjustment. If anybody is wondering, all we're doing is reattaching the bracket that holds the height adjustment on there. Okay, there's that. A wrench. Oop. Make sure it's in forward before you engage it. Get that nut started back on there again. There we go. Alright. There it is. Handlebar's good and tight there again. The height adjustment's tight. As you guys can see, it does not affect the height adjustment mechanism at all. So I said on the other side I was going to put a little grease on there. Best thing to use, a little bit of dry lube. I don't have any here at the house, so I'm going to use flid film. Just something to give a little bit of lube in there, you know, make it spin a little easier. Usually I use dry graphite, but like I said, I don't have any here, so there's that. Wheel spins nice and freely. Next, we'll get this thing tipped back, and I'll get the camera moved around, and we'll throw the blade on this thing and get it down off, and we'll test start her. So give me a second, and we'll bring it right back. All right, y'all. Got this. Got the new blade here. It's a just a direct replacement for the. It's 22 inch. All you got to do here is, you know, of course, the old blade will be up on here. This is a 9/16 socket. Take this off. I did check the blade boss here to make sure that it's not bent or anything from that hit, because that was a pretty substantial hit. You'll see these two little dogs that stick out here. They line up with those two here. Just put them on there. Take that. Of course, like I said, I'm using my impact. Give a little 1-2. And anytime you guys are working on anything underneath here, please remove the spark plug wire. So, yep. And I did check also too to make sure that the crank wasn't bent. Before I took the old, or after I took the old blade off, I had another blade here that was straight but very dull. I put it on just to make sure, because there was no markings on this blade. I wanted to make sure that it was a 22 and not a 21 inch cut. Some of these are 21 inch. But so yeah, that's basically it for this mower. Like I said, he doesn't want any service or anything done. So we will drop her down on the ground, give her a test fire, and make sure that everything runs good and runs the way it should, and we'll ship it back to him. So let me get this down on the ground, and we will bring you guys back. Alright, y'all, got the motor outside here. We're going to prime it a couple times. Alright y'all, that's going to do it for this video. If you all have a Huskee mower, push mower like that, hopefully this will help you out if you need to change the blade or fix those height adjustment wheels there from rocking back and forth. But it's not actually just to the Huskee brand. On any push mower that you have like that, if those adjusters back there are wore like that, you can pop them through there and put those bolts in and tighten them back up. And of course the blade change, that's pretty standard on all push mowers. Little different configuration between some different brands or anything, but well, I hope you all enjoyed it. Hope it helped somebody out. If you did like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down there in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Please ring the bell, get all the notifications for all the videos I put out, whether it be my mechanical videos, pulling videos, the cooking videos I do every week. You'll get notifications for my weekly live stream on Sundays at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And yeah, hope you all have a great day, and we'll catch you all on the next one.